Hello, my name is Shirt Natalina Ana Ormila, metric number BB241611100, and now I'm going to present my individual assignment 1, which going to analyze the Metro Mart's two branches, which are City Mall branch and Likas branch. And this assignment will be covering the cost versus revenue, sales versus target, and key metrics performance of these two branches. In question 2, how does actual sales performance align with targets? Both branches meet targets seasonally, but City Mall consistently exceeds by 10 to 15% during peaks due to foot traffic, while dipping below in off periods. Likas aligns closely but fluctuates with student cycles, missing targets by up to 8% during breaks. The line chart shows City Mall's volatility offers growth potential if stabilized. Question 3. How do performance metrics reflect resilience? City Mall excels in employee productivity and service reliability, but lacks in stock turnover from premium inventory. Likas leads in customer satisfaction and turnover, tied to community need, though productivity varies. This radar chart reveals Likas' balance profile for steady resilience versus City Mall's high output but risky setup. In summary, City Mall drives volume but needs cost optimization, while Likas offers stability through efficiency. That's all from me. Thank you.